As a homeowner in Charlotte, NC, you understand the importance of a well-functioning HVAC system. Ductless mini-split systems are a popular choice for many homes, offering efficient heating and cooling. However, like any other system, they require regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. At your HVAC company, our team of expert technicians can help you with all your ductless mini-split repair needs. From seasonal maintenance to repair and replacement, we've got you covered. Contact us today to schedule your appointment and ensure your home stays comfortable all year round.